July 27th, I believe. And just out here, cycled from downtown Toronto to Scarborough Bluffs. And to my favorite place to get poutine. This is my take on favorite, or the best poutine you can get from Curbside Dog. How I learned about Curbside Dog, I've done some reviews on them already, but I found their food truck when I was in High Park and had their poutine, and it was the best. The gravy was good, the cheese curds were good, melted, and I've had them a few times. I come out here once a year in the summertime. I'll cycle out here to get their poutine. So this is their poutine. The gravy is good, color is good, and it's super hot, so it melts the cheese curds are melted soft. So that's what makes a good poutine. Gravy, cheese curd. I asked them to cook the fries extra crispy, so that helps as well. So it's really good. It's worth a bike ride over for an order of, they call it boring poutine because they have toppings on the other ones. I don't find this boring at all because it's delicious. So take your bite. Bye.